Stroking means this is superficial. Okay. So hereafter you remember that if I write stroking, that is superficial. If I write effleurage, that is deep. Okay. So it will be like you will not be confused. Okay, if you're like that. If I write superficial, deep, then say effleurage. Okay. Deep. Okay, and then you go for kneading. You know, right?
Yes.
Kneading. This is Petressa's technique. And after every technique, you have to perform effleurage. No deep. After every technique, each and other technique, for example, if you say hacking, or else you can say picking up. Okay, followed by effleurage again. So number 7 was hacking, followed by again effleurage. Number 9 is vibration. So this is the sequence. Okay, so this sequence has to be followed. One by one you have to do. Each and every different technique you have to perform effleurage, deep effleurage. Because see, whatever you have done, there is a change in metabolism or else change in the waste products that has to be eliminated then and then.
Okay.
That's what it is. Okay. See, for example, so I'm going to perform on the right side. So what you do, you have to start with the stroking. Stroking, how you give? So stroking. So you can give from the chin to ear, and then from the lips to ear, and then from the nose to ear, and then from the ear to forehead. Okay. So this is like this. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay. So this is what is called as superficial stroking. After superficial stroking is over, you have to perform effleurage. Effleurage has to be performed from four different directions. Okay, one is you have to start from the chin. You have to give deep pressure, and then it has to be drained behind the ear because we have auricular lymph nodes behind the ear. Okay, so it's drained. And next from the lips, again you are taking it down into the behind the ear. And while you come, don't give any pressure. From the nose, you take it to the behind the ear. Okay, and then you're coming up from the forehead, you're taking it into the behind the ear. Okay, so this is what is the directions for effleurage. From chin, back of the ear. From lips, back of the ear. From the nose, back of the ear. And then from the forehead, back of the ear. So you have 4 directions. Okay, and next followed by what is that? Kneading. So kneading you can perform either thumb kneading or index kneading. So you start performing like this. You can give it. So how you give kneading? So kneading is performed with the pad of the finger. Okay, pad. You are using the pad. Okay, so you can give it over the muscles. Okay, you have to cover the whole muscular regions. Okay, this is kneading. After that, again you go for effleurage. Again the same directions. Okay. So this is effleurage. After that, what you perform? Picking up. So picking up perform where you have the muscle bulk, because he has very less muscle. So it's difficult. So it can be performed over the muscle bulk. Like this. How you do? You use the web. Then you pick up the muscle and then leave. Okay, so this is known as picking up. So you don't need to perform over frontal region because we don't have a muscle mass. Maybe in the cheek you can perform. See? Like this you can perform. After that again you go for effleurage. Okay. Again you go for effleurage. Then after that you go for hacking. Right? Hacking should be performed slowly. So you have to ask the patient, is it paining to him? Is it paining? You have to be very gentle. Okay. Good. Okay. This is hacking. After hacking, again you perform effleurage. So effleurage in 4 directions: from chin, from lips, from nose, and then from the forehead. And then after that you go for vibration. So vibration where you give? So behind the ear. Okay. Use the tip of the finger. Give vibration. This is vibration. So this is for the face. After this, give him some. After that, give him some rest and then
fixation.
Yeah, this is for stabilization.
As soon as the
Yeah, stabilize.